Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look of Neeru from Laung Lachi. So stay tuned and watch. I'll be applying my foundation today with this fluffy brush. Taking 5 to 6 pumps of my foundation. Applying randomly over my face. And will give it a good blending. Blending is must, so take your little time and just give a good blending. We'll be tapping again with fingers this foundation. Fortunately, I don't have much big spots on my face, but today I'll be using this lipstick, L18 orange color lipstick, as my color corrector. Again, using this fluffy brush, I'll be giving a real good blending. To set my makeup, I'm just giving my compact powder, Revlon compact powder. We'll be dusting off the extras. Using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. So taking my beauty blender, I am blending everything nicely. Basically, makeup is all about blending, so take your own sweet little time and blend everything well. Using this bronzer, cum blusher. Taking my favorite shade, peachy shade from my blusher, and mixing that with again the golden blusher. I'm giving a good nice blend. So our face makeup is done. I'm moving towards my eyes. I'm using this Wet n Wild nude palette eyeshadow. Using Wet n Wild highlighter, I'm highlighting the corner of my eye. Using Wet n Wild Kohl Kajal, lining my upper eyelashes. Be very careful. In this look, Neeru is wearing a very thin line of kajal, So I am very careful right now and very nervous also. Smudging it with my fingers to give it a more natural. It's time for lining the lower waterline. Don't go outside. We need a very thin line, so be very careful again. Using Lotus full volume mascara. Using Blue Heaven mascara, I'll be lining my eyebrow. Yeah, slowly giving small strokes. Time for lipstick. I've tried using the exact color that Neeru is wearing in her song. So, yep, I think the color is perfectly matching. What do you girls say? Please comment in the section below and let me know. Was just checking how I did with my makeup. Time for ornaments. So this is my final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.